welcome back to Stylish Niger YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to Stylish Niger YouTube channel. I thank you for your love, for your support. Okay, guys, if you are new to the channel, you are highly and very welcome. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Stylish Niger YouTube channel. Actually takes nothing to do that. Just hit on that red button and then hit on the bell also to get an update whenever I upload a new video. So that's just like basically the essence of hitting on that bell. Okay, yeah. So if you want to register for our online classes, you can just see my number scrolling through the screen. You can send me a message on WhatsApp and then I'll give you the details of the classes that we have available. Presently, we have the beginners class. That's like the foundation class for those of you that actually have not started sewing, that want to go into sewing. We have that class, and then we have the intermediate class for people that can sew already and then want to move to the next level. You can register for that class. We have the ready to wear class for those people that want to go into ready to wear, that want to be sewing and selling Ankara online on ground also. You can register for that class. And then we have an advanced class for people that can sew already, that just want to edge up their sewing skills. You can register for that. And then we've got a corset class also for you to learn how to cut and sew a perfect corset. We have that class. And then we also have, the Igbo Madam blouse class for those of you that want to learn how to sew a perfect fitting blouse, fitted rather. Yeah, so these are like basically the classes that we have available presently. Okay, so and if you want to, as you're watching this video, you see a join button. Also, if you have already subscribed and then you want to be a member of Stylish Niger here on YouTube, you can just see a join button. Just click the join button and then see what it is or what it entails. So this is just like a way for you to support Stylish Niger YouTube channel. So that's the essence of that one. So I'm just trying to read all of these announcements so we know everything. So you can follow me on all of my social media platforms: Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, all at Stylish Niger. Okay, guys, so that's all of the announcements that we have. It's important that we do make this announcement. Yeah. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sew, or how to make rather, this trendy net design. Someone actually sent it to me and she has really been, as in that, I don't even know what to say. A subscriber actually sent it to me and she has really, I don't even know how to talk. Okay, guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this net design. So it is like a trending design. Yeah, a subscriber actually sent it to me and she actually I actually explained to her initially, but she actually could not pull it off. So I decided to just make the video so for her to see, and then other people can benefit also from the video. So in making this design, so you can see they are different. It's actually done with a net, so you can see it's like a structured net. It's not like this our regular net. So it is like the net that you use for your undergarment. So you can see it. So this net actually comes in different designs and different colors rather. So it depends on the color that you want to make use of. That is what you actually buy. So for this, I got the white one. It has black, it has lilac, it has different colors. So because it is used for undergarments and then for wedding dresses. So this is what we are going to be making use of for today's class. So I'm just going to fold my net like this, and then we're going to cut out. So you can see the edges is really neat and clean. It does not fray. So for this, we're going to be using, okay. So we're going to be making use of, I actually cut out a piece earlier. We're going to be making use of 2 inches width. So this is like our 2 inches width. And then the length, so I'm going to use these 2 inches now. I'm going to cut it out. So I need to mark it out. Okay, so like I said, we're making use of 2 inches. So for this, you can actually choose how you want it. That's just like the truth. And then you can cut out as much as you want. So I'm just using these 2 inches. I'm just trying to mark them. And then we'll cut. You cut as much as you want. And then for the length, for this, we're going to be making use of a length of about 13 or 14 inches. So you know we're going to be folding it. So it depends on what you want. So if you have a more structured one, because this net they come in different texture. That's the texture. So there's another one that is stronger than this. That one you can actually make it longer. So even when you fold it and then you pin them, you stitch them together, it's still going to stand firm. But if the one that is not too strong, if you fold it, it's going to be sagging. So I'm going to just cut them into stripes like this. So make sure you cut them. Make sure that your hand is very straight as you're cutting. Okay, so after trimming out everything, so you can see the edges. That's the beauty of using this net. You can see they are very neat. So you actually don't really need any kind of finishing for this. So you can see how they are looking. So once you even ruffle them up like this, they will look like what we have in some of the sleeves that I showed you earlier on. So the next thing, you're going to start folding them together. And then once you fold together, you bend it like this. You bend it again so you can see it is having that design. And then you take the second one also, and then you bend it also. Or another way for you to do this, you can just decide to hold all of them together like this. Just place all their edges together. So once we have about five, I'm just going to pick them five at a time like this and put them together. And then I'll twist them like this together. So you can see what we have. So after twisting them together, I'm going to have this. So this one is not staying very well. So once it's not staying very well, you can redo that. So I'm going to use my needle and thread. I'll tack them together. You can see what I have for the first one. So I'm going to go and do the other one now. Just go ahead and ruffle all of them together and then show you the full bunch, how it will look like. So and then when I'm done, I'm going to join them together. So when I finish placing them up, I'll place it on top of the mannequin for you to see how it looks like. Okay, guys, so at the end of the day, you can see how our trendy net design actually looks like. So, like I said, you have them in various colors, so you can just buy any of the colors of your choice and then make yours. So, thank you so much. I hope this tutorial was helpful to someone. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. And if you find it helpful, please hit on the like button. I would appreciate that. Bye, bye, bye.